Hey there everybody, Radu Hahainu here, and in this video we're taking a look at developing and outsourcing software tools. Now, software tools are by far the highest converting products online, the easiest to sell, and the ones that bring in the most revenue for you when launching. So if you've got the budget and if you've got the patience to actually get the software developed, I personally recommend you launch software. Now, I haven't launched an info product in I think over 2 years now, and there's a reason for that. Okay, the market loves software, and I'm talking about both affiliates as well as customers. So if you can get software developed, go with software. Now, you should already have some ideas so far based on the topics we discussed 2 videos ago. But, just take that, and moving on, you need to know exactly what you want to get done. And that can be a WordPress plugin, a PHP script that you host on your website, so you can call it a web app, or it can be a desktop app in Adobe Air, Java, and so on. There are multiple programming languages, and each developer excels usually in just one of those. So take all of your ideas, get quotes for them, see how you want them developed, and then see the pricing that you get, and then decide based on those factors. All right, now check with me, okay, both your ideas before sending them to the developers, and once you get the quotes and so on, send them to me. I can check, and this way you won't waste your money and time, because I've seen multiple software so far. I know roughly how much they cost to get developed, so I can tell you now this developer is worth their money, or this one isn't, or likewise I can talk about the product itself. Maybe it's not the best solution, so I can suggest something different. So I'll give you my honest opinion, and possibly if it's a niche I know, SEO or video or affiliate marketing, I can share insights, and maybe I can come up with some extra features that you can include, or I can say, this feature is redundant, get rid of it, it will only cost you money, but won't bring in any customers. And if it's something my team can do, and if they're free, I can connect you with my developers, and this way you're safe, your work will be done at the highest quality level, and if you're not happy with them, you just come to me and say, Radu, can you help me out with this guy? And I will, right? I can't guarantee that my developers will know how to do your app, or that they'll have enough time to do it. But if it's a good fit, why not? I'm here to share my team with you. Now, you need to find the right developer. So what I do, I go to upwork.com. I leave the link in the resources file. I go there and I post the rough general idea of the software, and then I get ideas back from developers, quotes of time and money, and based on those, I give them some very, very small task for them to perform and see how they manage it, and I'm clear with it. Okay, I'm telling them, this is the software, give me a quote of time and money, and they do that, and then I get back at them if it sounds reasonable. Okay, now time wise, they should say 3 weeks. If a developer says an app will take more than 3 weeks, dump them, right? And generally speaking, if you want something really big developed, but I don't recommend it, then yes, it will take more time, it will take more money, but it will also take more headaches, right? So you want to start with a software that can be developed in 3 weeks or less. And on money, this varies a lot based on the features you're targeting. But for my first software, I wouldn't spend over $1,000. Okay, so set a budget of $1,000 and 3 weeks to get it done. Take several quotes before and see if any of them fulfills this target you set. And if not, look at modifying the software, look at developing another solution, reach out to me and I can help, right? But once you've decided, first give them a small task and see if they can deliver on time, because with developers a big issue is that they can't respect deadlines, right? And that's fine. That's fine, you know, it's something you need to get used to, because you know, in 3 years working with software developers, I don't think I ever had the project done on time, right? But you don't want them to say, I'll do it in 2 days, and then they do it in 2 weeks, right? So you need to make sure they deliver roughly on time. And you can also leverage existing assets. And what I'm going to show you right now is CodeCanyon.net. It's a site with resources that we use all the time in our development to offset costs and, you know, develop plugins or software cheap. So PHP scripts, for instance, if you go to images and media, those are tons of scripts that you can use and give the developer, and then he can use those. And instead of developing them from scratch, they can actually start implementing them in your concept. So let me give you an example, right? Video Cloud Pro is, let me see if I can find the actual demo. Right, so you can see this here. This is how it looks. It's a site that you curate videos, and, you know, it builds websites using curated videos. And we actually bought the rights to one of those from here and only added the marketing features that we needed. So let me see if I can find it. Alright, so it's about something similar to this one. Right, let me see. See, so this does something similar, right? So instead of hiring a designer and a developer to build this template for us, we bought the script, we gave it to the developer, and they explained it. We actually want to do curation on the back end and so on. But they used this as a starting point, and you can buy what's called an extended license, and $170 allows you to use the script as you want, right? And this is big, because I'm telling you, if you want something like this developed, it's gonna cost you more than $170. And we just plugged this right into our app, added the curation thing, and, you know, it looked much better. And we were able to develop Video Cloud Pro with a budget of, I think, $1,500 or so. And the app went on and did over 200,000 for us. So, you know, that's a big ROI. So obviously that's pretty much it. It's a lot of trial and error with developers. Have patience, talk to several of them, get quotes, get back to me, use me so that I can help you, and, you know, just get going. It's important to take action and get going. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.